happiness is a place we all need to go to someday. I want to go there. Do you? These stickers represent happiness that I have every day.
Hello.
Would you like some happiness?
Don't you put that sticker on me. I can kill you! You're allergic to cats, yes?
I am. I'm very allergic to cats. That's not very nice of you, but guess what? Stickers.
I feel so much lighter. I feel so much happier, so much better.
Isn't that nice?
What are these?
These are called sunshine happiness stickers.
Wait! I see you've gone to the other side. You've got a sticker on you, Ilana.
Oh no, you caught me!
I did.
I am in the wrong place.
You are a double agent, playing with the stickers, turning our people against ourselves. What's wrong with you?
Just stuff happens.
A chance to prove myself. I will protect you. Don't you?